Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning the carpets on the MiniTruck 99 Sonoma project. I was crawling around under there the other day trying to work on the seat. The seat sags. And I noticed underneath the springs are fine. The springs are in great shape. So we don't really have to pull the seat and do anything. I'm going to get creative on fixing this problem. The problem is the foam is sinking into the wire springs and it's slicing lines into the foam, and the foam keeps sinking. So eventually we're going to steam that foam, get it to rise back up, weave some things into the springs to try to hold that up. We'll see. We'll get to that in another video. This video, I'm going to deep clean these carpets. I was crawling around looking at these seats and it smells like troll feed or something down there. It's awful, right? It smells really bad. What I've done is I've pre-soaked these. I've made this bottle of basically dish soap and a little bit of OxyClean powder in there. And I just spray it down really good, vacuumed it up, spray it down, vacuum it up. I'm gonna spray it down some more, and then I'm gonna use my shop vac and some water. I'm gonna pour some water on it. And somebody's gonna ask me how much I mixed in there. I have no idea. I just squirted some dish soap in and poured a little bit of Oxy and a lot of warm water. This has been soaking for a couple days. I just re-soaked it one more time. Next is to pour some water on it. And I have my bucket here. So I'm gonna pour some water around in this area. And then I'm gonna take my wet dry shop vac and I'm gonna vac it up, and we'll come back and check, see how it looks. All right, guys, I know that probably doesn't look a lot cleaner to you, but I can tell you, to me, that is a lot cleaner. I can already tell right now. When I get down here, I'm telling you, the smell was overwhelming. The smell is mostly gone. We're gonna work our way up and do some of this carpet up here and around as we have time. Right now we got the shifter out because we're getting ready to drop a transmission. Video on that later, but pretty easy to take that shifter out and get that out of your way. But yeah, carpet looks much cleaner. Let's check the water. Yeah, I say I'm glad that's not in the MiniTruck anymore. Hey guys, there you go. That's how I deep clean those carpets. Got rid of the smell. Really helped a lot with that smell. They may not look great still, but man, they smell so much better. Again, I don't know the mixture I use. I just throw together some dish soap to cut the grease and some OxyClean. The OxyClean seems to help with the odors. I don't know, maybe both of them do, but I think the key is getting them soaped down real good, which I did. I soaped them down, sprayed them down for a couple days, and then using that water and the shop vac to rinse it all out. Basically, I'm gonna rinse it and then I suck up all that dirt over and over. I mean, I probably spent 15, 20 minutes on that one spot, just rinsing, sucking the dirt up, rinsing, getting that dirt up over and over. And that really seems to do the trick. Let me know your thoughts, how you do it. That's how I do it here. More videos to come soon on the MiniTruck. Football season's closing out for the boys, so I'm going to have more time to work on this. We'll see you next time.